Hi friends, first we need to connect mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network. So here I connected this mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network. After that, in TV, enable casting. So here I am going to enable casting in this TV. Go to device preferences, then select this option, Chromecast built-in. Then select let's others control your cast media. Select this option, then select always. So select this always. Okay, done. Then in mobile phone we need to open settings. In mobile phone, open this settings app, tap on this icon, then select connection and sharing, tap here, then select wireless display, tap here, then enable this option, wireless display. So here you can see the name of the casting device. I am using MI TV stick. Select this option, tap here, then tap on start now. See, it's working. So here I am using casting. So in the case of casting, we need to connect mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network. So if you are using mirroring in TV, in that case we don't need to connect mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network. So in that case, phone and TV should support Wi-Fi direct. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.